So I just wanted to mention really quickly what happens in a reaction when you apply a catalyst. And in this case, you got to remember that the energy of activation for the reaction really comes about from the mechanism of the reaction. And what the catalyst does is it provides an alternate reaction pathway that can cause the reactants to go to products with a lower energy of activation. So if we look at this, the reaction's still the same. We're going from reactants to products, and without the catalyst, you see that we had to go through a transition state, and that there was an overall energy of activation for doing the reaction without the catalyst. But with a catalyst, it literally changes the mechanism of the reaction. So we won't go into that, but overall what happens is there is an easier pathway. So there is a lower energy path for going from reactants to products. So we don't have to go to the full energy activation, we only have to go part way. And when we lower the energy of activation, remember when we were looking at collision theory, that means that the K increases and the rate is going to increase. So overall what a catalyst does is it causes the rate of a reaction to increase. It does that by providing a different reaction pathway or a different mechanism which has a lower energy of activation.